This tutorial I will going to show on how to change with professional blur background and how to matching color with background. So let's get started. At first open your Photoshop, then open your image. Select pen tool and selection your image. After full selected, then mouse right click and make selection. Select another selection area and hold press Ctrl Shift Enter. Now press Alt or Ctrl R for refine edge. Here select to onion skin. And select refine tool and select your hair outside area. In this refine edge dialog box, make sure to output to new layer and click on checkbox remember settings, then OK. Now take your blur background image. Select your subject layer and press Ctrl J for layer copy. Then selected this copy layer and go to filter, then noise, then reduce noise. Here select to strength 10, preserve detail 0, reduce color noise 0 and sharpen detail 20. And also go to filter, then blur, then surface blur. Now hold Alt key and click on mask, and select foreground color is white and select brush tool. And now use on your face. Now hold Ctrl key and select your two subject layers and press Ctrl E for layer merge. Now select this layer and go to filter, then camera raw filter. Here increases and decreases just something as your desire. Now OK. Now select your background layer and use color lookup. Select your any color lookup filter and must be opacity decreases low. Select this layer and use gradient. Select your any gradient fill and from blending mode select to soft light. And must be opacity decreases low. Now create new layer for soft light effect. Now take your another tree image. Select this layer and create mask, and must be select foreground color is black and select brush tool, and must be decreases your opacity and flow. Now take sunlight effect. Select from blend mode to screen. Go to filter then blur then Gaussian blur. Now select your top of the layer and hold press Alt-Ctrl-Shift-E for apply current image. Now select this top layer and go to filter, then Nik collection, then select Color FX Pro 4. Here select to cross processing filter and select your desired filter for more fantasy color. Click on Add Filter. And use another filter. Select Darken and Lighten Center Filter. Click on Add Filter. Now click on OK. This time you can save this image. Thanks for watching my full tutorial. I hope you must like this tutorial. Please like, comment and please share my videos. Thank you so much for stay with me. See you next tutorial. Thank you.